Notes module. Healthcare providers can record a summary of each visit of a patient as a note for future reference or as a conclusion of the visit. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list, and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Notes module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Note. Click on the Add icon to enter the note's information. If the doctor feels that this particular note can be used in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. Once completed, click on Save. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite notes stored and labels created. Click on Ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Clicking on the Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information already added, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete the detail. To edit details, click on the already saved information, make the required changes and click on Save.